Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. Today is my birthday, which is on March 7th, as I turn 16. I have 5 Diecasts I got for my birthday. 3 are from IndyCar and 2 are from NASCAR. And I have 1 NASCAR car and 1 NASCAR truck. So we're going to unbox all 5. So we're going to start with Ross Chastain's Watermelon Truck from the NASCAR Gainer Outdoors Truck Series, which has now been renamed the Camping World Truck Series again. Apparently. Well, so here's his 42 truck right here. I'll get to it later. Next I got William Byron's 24 Exalta Kobe Bryant tribute car. This is the car he ran at the Auto Club Speedway to honor Kobe Bryant and all the other people that were lost on the helicopter. So here it is. Next, we're gonna move on to the Indy cars. We have Ryan Hunter-Reay's number 28 DHL Indy car. One thing about these packages, they're sure hard to open. They do take a while to reopen. So yeah. So here's Ryan Hunter-Reay and the card, which will show as soon as I get this card popped. Card popped out, and here is his card, which is in front of a picture of him and some information about this guy, about Ryan Hunter-Reay, I mean. And I damaged the card a little bit there. But anyway, we're going to move on now to Joseph Newgarden's 2020 car. And Joseph Newgarden is from Team Penske. As you know, Team Penske does run both NASCAR and IndyCar cars. So let's get Joseph Newgarden out first, which he is a 2-time champion while joining Team Penske, which is a very impressive stats for both cars. Well, he has his cards, and here is his card right here, which has information about Joseph Newgarden. And then next we have Simon Pagino, and his is a bit like the 2017, 2016, or 2015 design, but I'm going to say 2017. Or 2016, depending on what you guys say. But here is his Money Lion car, basically. Usually he drives the Menards car a lot, but he has other paint schemes. And here is his card. As soon as sorry. And here's his card. So now I'll lower the screen for you guys to see what I got for my 16th birthday. So first, I have Ross Chastain's truck, like I said. His sponsor is Circle Track Race Parts. His number is 42 in the Truck Series, which his number is now in the Cup Series. He has a watermelon, and he says Eat Florida Watermelon, because he is a watermelon farmer. It was white, and also the white dots are representing the seeds. Next, we have William Byron's Kobe Bryant car. As you can see in the front, there's the Cup Series. His name, William Byron. And also, it shows about, I can't read what it says here, but this is to honor Bryant and his daughter and all the other people lost in the crash. So Byron's car for the Exalta is usually red and blue, I think really dark blue. But for the Auto Club Speedway, he decided to go yellow and purple, the Lakers purple. Purple and the yellow 24s on the side. So the two goes over here. Next, we have Ryan Hunter-Reay's 28 DHL 2020 car. So here we have the red 28, the red on top, DHL, which is an international transport system. Then we have Joseph Newgarden's Hitachi car. Usually he has Shell Pennzoil as another sponsor. And also Verizon on the sides. And his number is number 1 because of the championship he earned, or it's his number. Next, we have Simon Pagino's Moneyline car. Or I think it... No, it's Hewitt Enterprises car. Sorry, never mind. It was not Moneyline, but the colors do look like Moneyline cars. Look like Moneyline colors because of the green 22. And this is more of a 2016 design, actually. And I think... Oh, yeah, about the cards as well. So each of them have information about the IndyCar drivers here. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.